This touching slate is very useful to the visually impaired. You will need Velcro strips, wool and other odd things to make it. First, apply glue to a thick piece of cardboard. Velcro has two strips, hooks and loops which stick together. Stick Velcro hook strips to the cardboard. This will be your drawing slate. Next, make a hole in the base of a film can to fix a pen. Make a small through hole near the mouth of the can. Cut a V notch in one small hole. Make a rubber pulley and a Z-shaped wire crank. Push the crank in the pulley. Tie one end of a 3 feet long wool to the pulley. Cut the back end of the pen and push it through the can hole. Weave the other end of the wool through the pen. Pull the pen out further. Now fix the pulley crank assembly in the can. The pen is just like a fishing line. On rotating the crank, the wool will wind on the pulley. Tie a fat knot on the end of the wool. Crank to wind the wool fully. Now hold the pen and draw a dinosaur on the slate. Wool sticks to the Velcro slate and you can draw whatever you wish. Rewind the wool. Now draw a flower. Isn't this beautiful? This touching slate is a real help for the visually challenged.